In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xbox layouts to PlayStation layouts on Steam games. By the end, your games will show PlayStation-style button prompts cross, circle, square, triangle instead of the default Xbox A, B, X, Y labels, and your DualSense will feel right at home. First, connect your PS5 DualSense controller to your PC. The simplest way is a USB-C cable, plug it in and you're good to go. If you prefer wireless, pair it over Bluetooth by holding the PS button and the create button together until the light bar starts blinking. Then pair it from your computer's Bluetooth menu like you would any other device. Wired is often more reliable, but Bluetooth works great once paired. Next, make sure Steam is up to date and recognizes the controller correctly. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Controller. Click General Controller Settings, and enable PlayStation configuration support. This setting tells Steam to fully understand your DualSense and present PlayStation-style inputs to games that use Steam input. If you use other controllers too, that's fine, this doesn't stop them from working. After toggling this, it's a good idea to close and reopen Steam so everything refreshes cleanly. Now, set things up per game so you get the right icons. In your Steam library, right-click the game you're about to play, choose Properties, and open the Controller tab. Look for the drop-down labeled Override for this game. If the game natively supports PlayStation controllers, choose Disable Steam Input. That allows the game to talk directly to your DualSense and display the developer's native PlayStation icons. You'll know it worked when button prompts in menus show cross, circle, square, and triangle. If the game does not have native PlayStation support, select Enable Steam Input instead. In this mode, Steam remaps the Xbox style layout to the PlayStation layout and provides consistent PlayStation prompts, even in games that would normally only show Xbox buttons. After changing the override, restart the game so the prompts update properly. If you ever see mismatched icons or controls that feel off, return to the Controller tab and flip the override the other way. Some titles behave better with one setting than the other. That's it. Thanks for watching.